Ang ating e-trike, ang brand ay wow. It's raining and we're going to the market. Yan. Gamit sa ating Red Carnage na isang taon na sa atin. Yeah. Yan, natin. Ba, full charge ah. 53. Good. Right? So, we're going now to the palengke. Deadpool. And so, meron tayong wiper, guys. Pero pwede naman i-off tong wiper eh. Off yung wiper natin habang may pa yung ulan.